Redbird was singing about another time.
All right, we got some strangers coming up.
Softer than a daydream.
Maybe they want to get in a dance video.
On a summer mind.
Buongiorno. So here we are today. We're rocking out to Redbird from Pittsburgh, February 12th. Got some bike riders that just showed up. I'm in Pompeii, as you can see. Not really. Actually just in like a old broken down, an old like fishing factory by the sea. And I always take a run down by the water and I see this old broken down building and I take a walk through. And I'm like, man, this would be a cool spot to film a video. So that's what we're doing. But you get the random sort of stranger, bike rider, visitor that comes through and they see me and they're like, what is that? And I say, Jamband Workout. Follow me on Instagram. You may notice I'm wearing my headband a little funny because I just filmed a couple other videos and I'm getting the old Jamband tan line. So I gotta try to even it out here. So we're straight birding here. So get those arms up a little bit. I think I saw some at this show. People were kind of getting their arms up. Kind of cute. And of course, we had the viral sensation of Burden, people singing this upcoming kind of bridge part.
And how does it feel to take her from the sky?
I love that Goose has these Peter songs.
I pray you're out there sleeping.
He's kind of emo, gentle.
When it's time for a bird to fly. When it's time for a bird to fly. When it's time for a bird to fly. When it's time for a bird to fly.
See, I'll straight bird. We'll get birding. It's time to fly. Time for a bird to fly. Time for a bird to fly. Time for a bird to fly. It's time for a bird to fly. I'll take the Rick part. Okay, so it's almost time for us to get moving here, guys. If you're not already. Since we're flying, you know, get those arms opened up. No matter what kind of step you're in, just get the arms flapping. What a great guitar line to go along with that vocal melody. Redbird, another of a flock of new Goose songs that have been coming fast and furious. Every one has been better than the last. I got hunger sight going through my mind like every morning when I get up. So we're a little floaty here, you know? So keep it floaty, whatever that means to you. Just kind of hands up, legs loose. Help but hear a little Jerry influence, a little Grateful Dead kind of cloud we're drifting on here. Not too much though. It's Goose's version. So let's keep it floaty. Squatting position. Give those quads a little action. Oof. If you can. My quads aren't burning. Come on, you guys hear it. Beautiful. Up out of that squat. Let's do some crossover walking. Some strutting. This is summer vibes here. They're pulling this off in a nightclub in Pittsburgh in February, but I'll tell you what, it feels right in the sun, in the warmth. So as it starts to pick up, get our shoulders, get a little hop going. You can hear Ben kind of getting on those toms. Getting a little, I always say like this kind of tribal trance-ish groove here. You know, Jeff with the percussion just takes it to this rustic kind of place. And I think this is a zone that maybe some other jam bands, very popular jam bands, don't get to this zone because they don't have that extra percussion. So that's the big advantage of the fifth member, being Jeff. You get to this. Just imagine yourself, you know, with a group of people around a fire. Just being loose. Feeling the moment, feeling the groove. Peter coming in, some very appropriate piano. Let's kind of pump our arms here. Just feels right. I don't know why. Kind of a moonwalk. Pick it up a little bit. The boys are going for it. So I'm gonna lock into my, when things start to change and I get a little lost, I always find my way back to this move because it's my go-to. You can go to a lot of places from here. And it locks into any rhythm. You can do it fast. You can do it more upbeat, or you can do it slow. I'm just hearing bass bombs right now. I'm loving this rhythm bass groove. It's not solo based, you know? It's great to dance to. Beginning of that trance place. Getting lost. As long as you're moving, let your mind wander. Close your eyes. Wow. Best Redbird ever? I think so. This is all you guys. But I'm feeling all the instruments, so I'm trying to do something with every part of my body. I'm trying to remember my shoulders, my arms, my hips, my neck. You gotta remind yourself sometimes. All right, can we get up a little bit? Come on, jump with me. You can. We're Redbirding. Pure trance here. Lose yourself. Stay moving. Get that heart rate up. See how long you can stay with it. Legs a little rest. Maybe get those arms going again. That's it right there. Oh no. If you're tired, you can't stop now. This is it. Get free. Yeah, that's some of the best shit out there going, guys. That's the good stuff. That's the goods. And I don't, I can't instruct you here. You gotta be feeling this. Whoa! Try and stay with it. There's a lot going on. And they found a beautiful late progression. Trevor. I've had to bring it back down to earth a little. This is sunshine. This is smiles. This is sun. This is sweat burning my eyes. Oh, there's a bug flying in my head. Where are we now? Like an epic spot. I don't know, Ryan Storm. I think this bird's got to come up on the list. This is like real good. Try to hang with it, guys. Whatever you have left in the tank, just empty it. Empty the tank, baby. Oh, man, running past it. Love it. Okay. All right. Back down to earth for a moment. Woo. Straight burden. Straight burden. Oh. How's my tan line going? I got Jamband tan line going. So that's why I have the headband kind of back. That's what happens. It's part of the job, you know. It's tough. Somebody's got to do it. So thanks for tuning in. That was Goose, Redbird, Pittsburgh, February. Tell you what, it's a very hot summer jam, in my opinion. So throw that on, take a run, take a walk, have a jam, go in the backyard, go down by the creek, you know, and enjoy yourself. And thanks for tuning in. We'll be seeing you real soon here on Jamband Workout. Y'all take care now. Peace out. Peace and love.
A redbird was singing